अपनी सर्विसेज को बेच रहे होते हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स को बेच रहे होते हैं, फॉर दैट मैटर. सो टॉक अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
Differential achievement due to gender
ये
differences.
मेंटल बैरियर्स हैं कि मेरे से
Gender
बात नहीं
differences
होती.
also lead
जैसे
to
कि आप लोग मुझे
differences in
मैसेजेस करें कि
academic
सर बड़ा
results.
मुश्किल काम है अपने बारे में बात करना.
It
Break
is.
your mental barriers. Only
Generally
then
agreed
you will
that
be
in the past
successful.
the females were underachievers when it came to education. This was because the main emphasis regarding a woman's life was her marriage and role as a housewife. Very seldom, it happened that any woman could be a lawyer or a factory worker. And when such anomalies did exist, they were looked upon with hostility and opposition. The role of boys, however, was to get a good education and get a good job. These stereotypes were responsible for the major gap between a male's and a female's educational achievements. Carol Dweck, another sociologist, presents a different explanation. He says that girls who study in co-education have a different student profile and classroom attitude. Boys are the subject of much of the teacher's attention and hence are disciplined more, whereas girls are treated more leniently and are only corrected when they make academic mistakes. The girls thereby believe that whenever they are successful it is because of their ability, but boys on the other hand blame their failure on bad luck or less effort. The teachers also ask girls less difficult questions. This creates in girls a less confident self, due to which they opt for easy and more comfortable subjects that are not aggressive, intensive and difficult, e.g. biology, languages, etc. This also leads to lower educational achievement and lack of incentive for females in the education system. Lately, everything has started to change, and this has been the case for women. In the past, females who were pilots and engineers were seen as rebels and nonconformists. But after the world wars and the successive events, i.e. the suffragette movement, all this started to change, and now women are encouraged to take masculine roles and do jobs that were previously considered to be a man's territory. Women have started to emphasize more on careers and jobs than families and marriages.